Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to share an Instagram profile. So let's get started. First of all, open your Instagram app. And let's say this is the account that I want to share, so that all you need to do is simply tap on the profile you want to share. And at the very top right, tap on the three dots. And it gives me a couple of different options in terms of sharing it. One is it says, copy profile URL. I can just tap that, and it will copy the link to this specific profile. I can text it or email it, send it on WhatsApp, Messenger, anything you want. So now if you want to share a profile directly with a person on Instagram, simply tap on the three dots at the top right again. And then tap on share this profile from here. From here you can send this profile with your friends. Or you can search for your friends. You can always just tap their name here and hit just send it there, and it will send this specific account to that person. They can follow them, check out their content and all that stuff. If you find this video useful, please show your support with a like. Your feedback is invaluable to us, so feel free to share your thoughts and suggestions in the comments section below. We are eager to hear from you.